Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and today we're diving into something a little different but incredibly interesting for anyone in logistics, retail, manufacturing, or any space that depends on labels and efficient printing. We're talking about the Printronix SmartLine SL4M direct thermal/thermal transfer printer. Now, this isn't your everyday home printer, and that's the beauty of it. It's built for serious, high-volume monochrome printing tasks, specifically designed for desktop environments with a focus on RFID label printing. So first off, let's talk build and design. The SL4M has that classic Printronix industrial feel, robust, compact enough for a desktop but still clearly designed for durability. You're looking at a machine that's made to withstand heavy use without constantly needing attention. It's not flashy, there are no neon LEDs or unnecessary bells and whistles. But the matte finish, solid construction, and user-friendly interface make it feel reliable the second you touch it. There's a clear display for status updates and error messages, which might seem minor, but when you're printing hundreds of labels a day, it's a huge deal. Now, the printing technology is where it gets interesting. This printer uses both direct thermal and thermal transfer printing, which gives you flexibility depending on your label needs. Direct thermal is great for short-term labeling, think shipping labels that don't need to last forever. Thermal transfer, on the other hand, uses a ribbon to create long-lasting prints that can survive heat, moisture, and other environmental factors. The SL4M handles both seamlessly, and switching between modes is smooth, so there's no downtime when you have different types of labels to print. One of the standout features of this printer is its RFID label printing capability. For companies investing in RFID systems for inventory tracking, asset management, or supply chain optimization, this printer is essentially plug-and-play. The SL4M supports various RFID tags and encodes them directly during printing, which streamlines processes that would otherwise require a separate encoding step. This makes it highly efficient for warehouses, retail backrooms, or manufacturing floors where tracking is critical. Performance-wise, the SL4M doesn't disappoint. We're talking high-speed monochrome printing with crisp, sharp text and barcodes. It's precise, no smudges, no misalignment. Printronix has clearly optimized the printhead and software to ensure consistency across large print runs, which is exactly what you want in a professional setting. Whether you're printing a few labels or hundreds, the output remains reliable. Connectivity is another area where this printer shines. You've got USB, Ethernet, and optional serial ports, making it easy to integrate into almost any environment. Some older label printers struggle with modern networks, but the SL4M has all the bases covered. And if your operation uses centralized printing or automated workflows, this printer can fit right in without extra adapters or complicated setups. When it comes to media handling, the SL4M is surprisingly versatile for a desktop printer. It supports a wide range of label sizes, and the media loading process is straightforward. The printer also has built-in sensors to detect label gaps, black marks, or RFID tags, reducing errors and wasted labels. For high-volume printing, this is a lifesaver because downtime for misfeeds or jams can really add up in productivity loss. Let's also talk software and management tools. Printronix provides robust drivers and utilities that let you configure label formats, set encoding parameters for RFID, and even monitor printer health remotely. If you're managing multiple printers across a facility, this level of control is essential. You can get alerts, track toner usage, and schedule maintenance proactively, which keeps operations smooth. Another subtle but important point is reliability and serviceability. Printronix has a solid reputation in